In this video, I'll show you how to fix the critical process died blue screen error on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If your PC keeps crashing and shows a message saying your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart, follow this guide step by step. If you can still access your desktop, click on the search bar, type reset, and select reset this PC. Next, click advanced startup, then choose restart now. Your system will restart and open the advanced options menu. If you cannot access your desktop, press and hold the power button until the computer shuts down. Turn it back on, and as soon as you see the Windows logo, press and hold the power button again to force shutdown. Repeat this process 3 times. After that, Windows will automatically load the Advanced Options screen. Once you're in Advanced Options, please Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. First, try Startup Repair and see if that fixes the problem. If not, go back to Advanced Options and open Command Prompt. When the command prompt opens, type the following commands one by one, pressing Enter after each. bootrec.fixmbr. bootrec.fixboot. If you see an access is denied message, don't worry and continue. bootsect.nt60sys. bootrec.fixboot. sfc/scan now. This scan may take some time, so wait until it completes 100%. After that, type check disk C. This will scan your hard drive and fix any disk-related issues. Once everything is finished, close the command prompt, click Continue, and restart your computer. If the blue screen was caused by corrupted system files or disk errors, Windows should now boot normally. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Take care.